So, hello everyone, welcome back to Cyber Lab, where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and much more. So, guys, as we promised in the session that we are going to provide you an easy to use method that how to set up a VMware, and inside VMware how we are going to set up our hacking labs. So, the process is very simple. I'm going to show you a simple methods you can follow and download it. Okay, so first of all, we are going to download the VMware workstation, the pro version. So I'll just simply go over here, and from this just simply go on the third URL, this text pod. Why not this the official one? Same all are, but this will take you to the sign up page and it will take a lot of time. So we'll just simply go with this one, and this will provide you a free version right now for the pro. So right now you can just simply click on the workstation Windows 25H2, and it will take a couple of seconds to download in your system. And just suppose example, if any reason it's not working, you can just simply click here and it will start downloading. But here right now it started downloaded, so it's almost going to take 4 days. Maybe I don't know what's the reason, but I've already downloaded this machine, so I'm not going to download it again. The reason you can see here, I've already set up all the machines. Okay, so now the next is that once you downloaded the VMware in your laptop, just simply execute the exe file and install the VMware successfully. Now the next thing is that we are going to use Kali Linux and another is Windows 10. Now this time finding the Windows 10 ISO file is very hard. So I'm going to show you a very easy way. So what you have to do, you have to just simply type Windows 10 ISO download and just type Wayback Machine. Okay, from here open the first link from the Internet Archive, and if you just scroll it, here you can see it's showing the ISO image. Just simply click on it, nothing hard, and it will take totally depending upon your internet, and sometime it's also depend upon the server, what types of server they are using in the backend. So right now you can see it's giving me a good speed, but I've already installed, so I'm not going to install it again. The process is very simple, how to install the Windows 10 in your VMware. Okay, the next step is that you have to download the Android ISO download. So just simply go, click on the first link, Android x86 architecture. Now click on the download, and you can use any option. If you want to go with the ForceHub or if you want to go with the SourceForge, I will suggest, because from longer time I'm using this website to download anything. So it will take a couple of seconds to download the ISO one. So I'll just simply click on the latest one, and here you can see your download will start shortly. So it will going to take a couple of minutes, or sorry, seconds, and then it will start downloading. Okay, let me go back. I just wanted to confirm that the website is working or not, and yeah. Okay, so there is something, please disable the feature that may be fix. Okay, so okay, my bad. Right now I'm using this ad blocker, but yes, you can see this window downloading started. So once everything will be done, once all the files will be downloaded, next step is that you have to just simply go and install. In the Android case, it will take us some troubles, it will going to create some trouble. So what you have to do, we are going to provide you these links inside the description. The reason why I want to make this video very short, because people don't love to watch long videos. Okay, so here we go. I've already written a write up over here that how you can set up a Android ISO in your machine. So you have to just follow this video, or sorry, this blog, which is written by me only, and you can set up this Android ISO in your VMware. Now the next, which is the final, you have to just go Kali Linux, go to the official website. Okay, it's taking a little bit time. Well, I don't know what's the reason. Okay, fine. So here if you go, now what you have to do, you have to just go into the virtual machines. Okay, if you go to the virtual machines, go for the VMware. The reason why I'm telling you don't go for the ISO, when you will install the VMware, it will automatically create your file. You have to just import the main file into your VMware. No need to download, no need to go with the installation steps. It will automatically add all the files in your system. So it will just take a 5 to 10 minutes to set up everything in your VMware environment, and once it will be done, you are ready to go with your hacking labs. So hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you have any doubt or any questions, you can just comment in comment section and we will reply you as soon as possible. We'll meet in the another video. As of now, that's it.